Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some essential English words. Bankrupt. If someone is bankrupt, then they are unable to pay their debts. Example, the store had few customers and soon went bankrupt. Conform. To conform to rules or laws is to obey them. Example, the new student had to conform to school's dress code. Employ. To employ someone means to give work to them. Example, the bookstore employed 2 full-time clerks. Expel. To expel someone means to force them to leave a place. Example, since he would not follow the rules, the principal had to expel the students. Extension. An extension is a part added to something to give it more time or space. Example, my parents decided to add an extension to our house for the new baby. Forthcoming. If something is forthcoming, then it is about to happen in